get the ball to the right guy. I would like to get the ball to Matthew. I think he's a pretty good free throw shooter. Dahil wala na si Bobby Ray. And then maybe you look at Bolick. Yan lang mga gusto natin makatanggap yan.
Undecided. Everything in this game except
of course.
a result.
Oh, timeout ulit. Ginamit na lahat ng timeout. Ang hindi nakapaglaro ngayong araw si Justin Chua at si Pre. Pero hindi, semi-finals ito eh, para makapasok ka sa finals eh. Meron pa mga tie plugs doon, yung mga tie. 8 o'clock pag nila, nandiyan na sila.
Dumating na, manood na tayo ng first game. Kasi may game pa rin kanina yung yung women's.
Nanalo tayo kanina.
Yes.
Good for us, you know. Congrats, Pat Aquino. Nanalo tayo over Vietnam ba yun? I think Vietnam.
Pat has done a good job with the women's team.
He's always been, he's always known how to take care of them, you know, how to coach them and motivate them.
Galing ng anak ni Bestig na Dicen.
Yeah, we have better players na this year, you know. JC De La Rosa is good. Yung taga-Enyo na si Mistisa, magaling rin maglaro yun. And of course, we have April still playing, Bernardino, you know, and Poteos. So we'll throw in here talagang dito tayo. And we just need a good inbound here. Good screening without offensive foul. Natandaan mo si Terby natawagan na offensive foul kaya nawala yung possession.
Bumawak siya
sa possession natin. Use your, this is using your head as they say.
Palagay ko decoy si Terby.
There's Bolick. And they want Bolick to get the ball. Go to the free throw line. Now we can put in another big man for rebounding purposes if we want.
(70-68), 7.3 seconds before we end this game. Miss.
Now we need a big man. We need somebody to rebound. We better put this in because we need at least a three-point advantage.
Yeah, there it is.
May timeout pa yata sila eh, and they're going to use it.
(71-68), 7.3 remaining.
Well, we still gave them life. If we had put in 2, wala nang buhay yun. Mahirap mag-foul dito kasi bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul. O ano eh.
Oo eh.
Yeah. You know, you want to foul before the act of shooting pero baka bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul. Disgrasya ka pa nun.
What a game. First half, Indonesia was in control. Philippines roaring back in the third and most of the fourth until the last 4 minutes of play.
Yeah, a series of bad decision-making, turnovers, and some questionable calls.
And then Indonesia began to hit again.
Well, siyempre, bubuhayan ka ng loob. Dahil you keep on going to the free throw line. Maaga penalty ng Pilipinas. Eh. So, punta ka ng punta sa free throw line. This is what you call, you can see that itong end game na ito, you know, this is the second time around on defense inalis ni Norman si Aram. Because Aram has a tendency to show and sometimes foul. And you don't want to do that. Here you just want to be able to follow your man and challenge properly. Now, if you give them a layup underneath the basket and they use some clock, you give that to them. That's only 2 points. You're up by 3. The thing you don't want to do is give up a 2 and 1 or a 3-point shot.
And they will most likely foul when you get the ball back.
Yeah, it's okay. Di ba? Advantage ka dun eh.
Yeah.
Watch out, he's gonna pop out.
Indonesia. Yaksa. Will they go for a three? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The setup. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No.
Oh, no.
I think we are out of time.
Yeah. Kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good defense. They just switched everything. No? And look at the Filipino crowd, so happy. Bolit getting a lot of love from the Filipino
This is a
fans.
tough win, Dr. J.
Yeah, tough. Well, like I said, we started, we said Indonesia will be tough. And if we have to play Thailand, if Thailand beats Malaysia, it's going to be tough also.
So the Philippines will be in the gold medal match, and their uniforms helped today as well. Panalo po ang Pilipinas by the closest of margins. Boy, what a fight by Indonesia. What a fight back. Boy, Gilas with an escape win here, down to the last moment of play. Final thoughts, Dr. J.
Well, you know, we spotted them a big deficit earlier, but we fought back. It's great second quarter. We just really killed them in the second quarter. And we rode that momentum all the way to the third. I think it also shows that we don't have a lot of depth because up by 12, 14 points, 4 minutes to go, and we cannot sustain it. Shows that kulang ka sa depth ng team.
Samantala mga kaibigan, tapos na po itong laro na ito. The Philippines will be in the gold medal final facing the winner of the Malaysia-Thailand game later on.
Sino itong mga ito? Anyway, maraming salamat, Carlo Pamintuan, yung mga kasama natin dahil pinapadalan tayo ng mga stats. And here is our final.
Ayun, no,
Talo tayo by 5 points.
Ah.
We're up by 9, up by 11, up by 9, but we lost by 5 points in the end. But we won by 3 points.
Tingnan mo yung second quarter, sabi mo nga eh, no?
You killed them, 18-7.
So, 71-68, final count. That's it for this game. Dr. J, thank you very much. We'll see you in the days ahead. In behalf of all of us here in One Sports Plus, Signal, and all our other networks, RPTV, as well as Pilipinas Live, panalo ang Pilipinas. Pinakita pa rin ang tibay at tatag ang pinalakas ng Pilipinas sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games 2025 Thailand. Tayo po ay magiging finalist sa men's 5-on-5 basketball bukas. Maraming salamat. We'll see you soon. Mabuhay Pilipinas.